Introducing Project 2025 Fastback 001. A 1967 Mustang Fastback, finished in pepper grey metallic, its black dual stripes stretching from nose to tail like a warning shot across the asphalt. Under the hood lies the heart of a predator, a ROUSH 427 SRE small block, pushing 510 horsepower and 515 foot-pounds of torque. Fed by a Holley sniper stealth system with Terminator X management and dyno tuned to precision, when the key turns in the ignition, it awakens. Row through the 5-speed manual, feel the clutch engage, and listen as the MagnaFlow Street Series exhaust announces every shift with authority. Wilwood 6-piston front and 4-piston rear brakes rein it in with confidence, while coilovers and G-Link suspension keep it planted through every curve. The details tell the story of American muscle and power. A vented long nose hood and 427 style legendary wheels wrapped in Nitto NT 555 G2 rubber. Inside, it's classic muscle with a level of detailed craftsmanship only 2,200 man-hours can provide. Royal black leather with hand-stitched horizontal inserts, a wood rim steering wheel with metal spokes, brushed aluminium gauges, retro-inspired Bluetooth audio, because even legends evolve. This drive is performance with heritage on wheels and a sense of nostalgia that you truly won't get anywhere else. It's analog soul with modern precision, a Restomod meant to tell stories.